Hello everyone, so today we're going to go to IKEA, me and my family, and pick up some things, and I thought I'd take you along with me.
Hiya, can I have one caramel macchiato?
There it is! I want meatballs. This is my outfit today. Just these Zara slouchy jeans and some like Air Forces that have definitely seen better days. But we don't talk about that. So yeah, just thought I'd take you along to IKEA with me, see what we pick up. I've got sort of a list on my phone, but knowing me, when we get there, I'll probably get twice as much things, so let's go. Really? Really? Got my mask and hand sanitizer in my bag and we're ready to go. So I've got like a list on my phone on the IKEA app of things I think I want to get, like little plants and stuff. Yeah, just gonna see what we can find in IKEA. Going Starbucks! Caramel macchiato.
Hi, what can I get you today?
Hiya, can I have one caramel macchiato?
Is that a large?
Yes.
Yes.
And was that with cream on top as well?
Yes, please.
Yeah, yes please, and a... Okay, thank you.
Wait, that's mine. That's yours. Got coffee on my white jeans. Oh my gosh, look at it! Can't have anything nice. Oh, it's pretty nice though. You can see IKEA in the distance. Oh! There it is! There it is! People have to queue to get in over there, look. Lady just said it's an hour wait to get in, so it's not too bad. It's weird. Almost there. Yay! My room is gold, so I kind of want to get this. I can't go to IKEA and not get dime. Come on. Get straight in my basket.
Ooh! Extra spicy sauce. That's going straight in my basket.
I need like a shelving unit to go next to my sink and a little version to go next to my bed.
That's a little one here, or you just put either 2 drawers or 3 drawers.
I don't think that's the right one. I've got it on my phone. That one is called Vesken. Is that one called Vesken?
I think if you get 2 of them, you can build them as high or as low as you want. See?
Yes, Vesken. If you know, you know. And I really want it. The restaurant's all shut. I want meatballs. Apparently they do some takeaway meatballs, so get some takeaway meatballs. Can't go to IKEA without getting IKEA meatballs. It's a rule. It's a rule. The hand sanitizer smells like literal tequila. Don't. I'm gonna be sick, I'm gonna be sick, I'm gonna be sick. It's so strong. Oh. I do want a rug, and yeah, that's my favourite colour, so I think this one is only £8.50.
Oh.
Yeah. I really want one of these. I don't know what I'd use it for, but all I know is I need one. I love wicker baskets. This is really cute. Might have to. Quite like that one. Quite like that. Is that not the cutest thing? This little pineapple. Just got out of IKEA. It actually wasn't even that bad. Like, most people stood 2 meters away, but some people were getting a bit too close for comfort, but it was okay. You see, I got loads of stuff, loads of flowers and plants in my room. Got one big one here. But yeah, pretty successful. Got almost everything I wanted. Yeah. I just realised there's bird poo on the plant, so that's great. I'll just wash it off, it's fine. Okay, so we just got home, and yeah, I think I was actually very successful. Got most of the things I wanted. A couple of things are out of stock, but I can just order them or go to IKEA when we get to Southampton. It was pretty good. Like, when we went in, everyone was like meters apart and they were letting people in one at a time, and then as soon as you go in, there's a person there like, please sanitize your hands, and they had hand sanitizer dispenser as you go in. 3 bottles of water as well, which I thought was really good. There was a one-way system, but some people, it was quite hard. People were trying to go one way, but some people like going backwards and forwards. It wasn't the best, but obviously people were just doing the best they could, I guess. But there was like hand sanitizer everywhere. The restaurant was shut. But yeah, overall it was pretty good for social distancing. And like, when you were queuing to pay, everyone was like meters apart again. There was like marks on the floor. But yeah, my friend's at our house now, and he's like showing us videos of our rooms and stuff, which is just so exciting. So moving in 11 days. And yeah, I just can't wait to see everyone, all my uni friends. Very exciting stuff. But I've got most of the things now, and I've got some things that I've kept that I've bought offline. So I'll be doing a haul of like everything I've got for my uni room soon. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell button so you'll be notified when that goes up. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!